my keys and here's your tip. I'll practice and get good care of you. I'm gonna go in the restaurant, but be careful with that motorcycle. It costs $1,000. Will I do something? I saw green. Hello, doctor. Yeah, here's your tip and here's your key. And keep that money. Now I'm gonna go in the restaurant. Take care for yourself. This is all clean now. Hey, I've been waiting in the line for 10 whole minutes. Welcome, sir. You need me to park your car? Sorry, sir. Here's the keys. Take care of my car. I don't want to see any scratches. Tip, you're not getting no tip. I don't want to see a scratch. Oh, whoops. What? I'm in a monster truck, so I can park this for you? Sure. Here's the money. Thanks. And the key. Thank you. Listen, this is a very big and powerful monster truck, so be careful. Okay, so, and take care of yourself. Tow truck, come in. We need a tow truck. Now, tow truck. That was a yummy pizza. Where's my car? I'll get for you, sir. Hurry, I'm in a hurry. Hurry up with my car! Hey, that's not my car. Oops, sorry. Seriously? That's not my car either. Oh, whoops. Better get my car because I gotta go to business. There's a car over there. That is my car! I'm hungry. I'm gonna go in a drive-thru. It's not starting. What's this? Take that. I can't wait yet. Oh yeah, it's Monster Jam.
Stop the truck! You're getting me dirty!
us take the nuggets, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm calling the police. He's too loud. Police, there's a kid in the monster truck who's way too loud.
Hi, Mom. I'll have the usual.
Okay, sir, a donut and a coffee coming right up.
Thank you. Why does bad guys always want to take over?
I guess they want to be in charge and make all the rules.
Why don't they just become mommies? Oh, I think I have a call coming in.
Go ahead and disregard the case. We got him at,
Oh, that guy again?
Pacific. Out there.
Okay, I'll be on the lookout.
Wait!
What? That's my car!
That's my car! He smashed our car!
Stop! You smashed my car! And you smashed the juice box! Let's go, mister! Let's fly! Cadet, really? Oh, yay! Yay! Let's crash on this stuff. Now let's smash that wall. You kidding me? Look, a man! I need a tow truck. Your monster truck's broken? I'll be there right now, okay? Bye. Did somebody call for a tow truck? I did so. Then we all fell off. I can't move it, so I'll have to take it to the garage. So let's go.